Hi guys and welcome to Drive Spark, and in today's news we're going to talk about the Tata Safari and the Harrier Petrol. These SUVs have been crash tested at the Bharat NCAP. The results have come out and they are really amazing. Now the Harrier and the Safari SUV have now been introduced with more powerful petrol engines, as you all know, and these petrol variants have achieved a 5-star safety rating in the latest Bharat NCAP crash test. The diesel models already have 5-star safety ratings, and once again Tata has proven that commitment safety without any compromise. Now the new Hyperion petrol powertrain was first showcased with the Sierra, as you all know, and for the first time Tata's two flagship SUVs are now offered with these petrol engines. Now both these cars have scored a 30.08 out of 32 points for adult occupant protection and 44.54 points out of 49 points for child occupant protection. Now the petrol and the diesel versions share the same variant and features except for the powertrain, obviously. And however, the petrol powered models additionally have the Fearless Ultra and the Red Dark variants as well. Now the Safari and the Harrier come equipped with safety features such as 7 airbags, ABS with EBD, electronic stability program, hill hold assist, traction control system, 360-degree camera, and level 2 ADAS safety features as well. Now both these SUVs are front wheel drive and they are powered with a 1.5 litre BS6 Hyperion turbo petrol engine that produces 170 PS of power and 280 Nm of peak torque, and they are offered with both a 6-speed manual or a 6-speed automatic torque converter gearbox. Now these engines were recently tested and Tata Harrier came out with some really astonishing numbers. Tata claims that it gives a mileage of around 25.9 km, and the Tata Safari also achieved a top speed of 216 km under controlled environment for testing as well. Now the achievement has officially inducted into the India Book of Records, recognizing it as the best mileage achieving SUV by petrol SUV in the market with a manual transmission. Recently the same engine with the Tata Sierra delivered a mileage of up to 29.9 km to a litre, which is a new benchmark in the segment. Now the Tata Harrier, if we talk about the competition of the Tata Harrier, it competes with the Hyundai Creta, the Maruti Suzuki Grand Vitara, the Toyota Urban Cruiser Hyryder, and the MG Hector, which is the 5-seater version. We also have the Kia Seltos and the Jeep Compass. If we talk about the Tata Safari, the 7-seater premium SUV rivals with the MG Hector Plus, the Hyundai Alcazar, Mahindra XUV700, and the Jeep Meridian. If this video was informative, do like and share this video, and I will see you in the next one.